While visiting Tamarindo, Costa Rica, we booked an excursion with Prue Prue. He picked us up in a van and had a cooler full of drinks and snacks waiting for us. We went to the Leona Waterfall. These plants were really cool. When you touched them, they closed up. This was not a super easy hike, but it was well worth it. I'm not a hiker, but this was the highlight of my trip. You start by hiking down these really steep steps. Once you get to the bottom of the steps, there's a natural water slide. The instructor gives you instructions on how to go down. This water slide is no joke. The kids loved it. Make sure you wear a good, tough pair of shoes. I wore water shoes, and by the time I was done, I had holes in them. There is also lots of swimming and walking through water. Keep in mind the water is pretty cold. There is a tour guide with you the entire time. The currents were so strong once you got to the waterfall, you had to pull the rope to get over. It was such a surreal experience to reach the waterfall. We were able to see and do some really cool things during the hike. Lunch was also included with Pru's tour. The food was so good. In my opinion, the waterfall was a 20 out of 10. Remember to scan the QR code at the end of the video for a chance to win a trip for two.